Hi everybody, happy Monday. So we're going to be doing our word work. Remember our first rhyming one? Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Repeat after me. Rock, sock. Rock and sock rhyme. Good job. Car, back. No, car and back don't rhyme. White peak. No. Best nest. I hope you gave me a thumbs up. Sun fun. Yep, thumbs up. Sun and fun rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. I'll say it, you repeat. Pay, pick, puh. How, hope, huh. Man, mice, Day, did, duh. Baby, bird, buh. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend together. You repeat after me. Owner, owner. Turkey, turkey. Teaching, teaching. Pillow, pillow. Enjoy, enjoy. Okay, we're going to do that middle or medial sound on our roller coaster. K-at, ah. Good. H-n, eh. P-ig, I. Ah. B-ug, Okay, get your choppers out. Remember, let me do it first, then you do it. Muffin, muffin. Hammer, hammer. Dirty, dirty. Jungle, jungle. Neatest, neatest. Good job. Okay, I'm going to add some syllables. Start with the word list. Add d at the end. What do we get? Listed. Start with the word want. Add d at the end. What do we get? Wanted. Start with the word heat. Add id at the end. What do we get? Heated. Start with the word rent. Add id at the end. What do we get? Rented. Start with the word rest. Add ed at the end. What do we get? Rested. Good. Okay, now we're going to delete a syllable. We're going to take one away. Start with the word coolest. Take away est. What do we have left? Cool. Very good. Start with the word brightest. Take away est. What do we have left? Bright. Start with the word highest. Take est away. What do we have left? High. Start with the word largest. Take est away. What do we have left? Large. Start with the word strongest. Take est away. What do we have left? Strong. Very good. This week for our nursery rhymes, we're going to review some of our old ones, and then on Friday you'll get to pick which one of those you like best. So today is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 about the fish, okay? So I'm going to say a line, have you repeat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Okay, great job. I'll see you tomorrow.